In order to switch your Snapchat account from private to public on your phone, open the Snapchat application on your device first, log into your account, and then tap on the profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen. From your profile page, you need to go ahead and tap on the gear icon to access your settings in the top right. Now scroll all the way down, and there you'll see the option of public profile settings. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll get the option of show public story replies. Enable these options and also enable all the options that are needed. Now again, go to the privacy controls section and here tap on go to view my story and tap on friends only. Go back, tap on contact me option, which is under privacy control, and set it to friends and contacts. After that, come back and then tap on activity indicator. Turn it on if you want others to see when you're active. Return to the previous menu and tap on common settings as well. And here tap on auto approve everyone to allow the public interaction. And that's it for this setting. From your profile, you can go to your public profile settings again, from where you can go ahead and upload public stories and spotlight content. To customize your public profile details, you can enable public story replies and other options as well. So that's it. Your Snapchat is now public, allowing more people to view and engage with your content. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.